Hello community, hope you are doing well. In this video, we are going to see how we can install FastAPI and run the virtual environment. Okay, to get started with the FastAPI, the first step is to install FastAPI and Uvicorn. And FastAPI is the Python framework we will use to build APIs, and Uvicorn is a ASCII server that will allow us to run the application. So in the terminal, I already installed the FastAPI. So in your terminal, you have to follow this command: pip install FastAPI and Uvicorn. This will install both FastAPI and Uvicorn in your Python environment. Once the installation is completed, you are ready to move to the next step. Okay, so create a project directory. So next, we will create the project directory for our FastAPI project. So open your terminal and type mkdir code and go to that project directory code, and again type mkdir hello world. Okay, then move into this directory by typing cd hello world. Okay, this is where we will set up our FastAPI projects files and start building the applications. Now it's time to create a virtual environment for our project. A virtual environment ensures that all dependencies we install for FastAPI are isolated to this project and don't interfere with other Python projects on your system. To create a virtual environment, go to your project folder and type python env.dnv. Here I am getting error because in my machine it installed Python 3. So I am using Python 3-m-dnv.dnv. Okay, so this command will create a new virtual environment into name folder.dnv inside our project directory. Once the virtual environment is created, we need to activate it. On Mac, you can do by typing source.dnv/bin/activate. Okay, if you are using Windows, then command is slightly different. Once environment is activated, your terminal will display the name of virtual environment, showing that you are working inside. Okay, if you give a name to with other name, that name comes over here. To confirm that virtual environment is working correctly, so type which Python on the Mac, where this command will show you the Python to the Python executable being used. It should point to Python version inside the .dnv folder, confirming that you are using the virtual environment. Now we are all set to start code with the FastAPI. And if you deactivate your environment, then simply you can deactivate like typing deactivate. Simply you can type deactivate, your virtual environment will be deactivated. So if you have any doubt in this video, then comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next session.